Okay, so we'll walk up the front path here at 1754 River Road. There's our view from the view of the river from the porch. Zoom in a little bit. Beautiful bluffs across the way, and so two nice bay windows that are all about the view. Nice wide porch. All the woodwork has been redone. Banisters redone. Side view there. New gutter system, fresh paint, sealed slab floor, and then had the brick has been reset. So yeah, really expansive porch, all about the view. Here's the other side. So the fencing used to go around the property, so it was completely enclosed. But the two ash trees, there's the stump of one. Two ash trees, when they came down, they took out some of the fencing and he just removed it. The porch, the same. This was pretty hit really hard when the ash trees came down. So the porch has been, essentially roof line rebuilt, new roof, and all the banister work, as well as, I think I said, a nice gutter system. And so here's our front door. I already have it open for us. And great little entryway foyer, recessed lighting throughout. Little hall coat closet. So there's our porch view. Very nice. Propane fireplace. Lovely bay windows. Mantle is a beautiful piece of wood. Really nice depth to it. Really accentuates the room. Nice wood flooring. Great condition. Electrical's been updated, so the outlets, dimming lights everywhere. Really modernized, brought into this era. Nice size room. Again, just beautiful lighting. Okay, and here's our little breakfast nook with a built-in pew bench seating. Simon Pierce hand-blown lamp. Okay, knotty pine. It's our cabinetry. View out the back door. Two maritime lamps in the back. We're at a marina. Really great. Okay. Past the kitchen. And we have a really fantastic, nice redo of the bath. A spa-like setting, such a deep tub, great chrome fixtures. And you get a nice little view of the backyard. Beautiful woods, real wood, not a stick-on tile, like we see everywhere. Wonderful lighting, nice, just really great chromes. Chrome looks so good against that, kind of beech wood. Just really lovely. Tile flooring, really nice grid, really nice size. It's just a perfect tiling. Again, reflects the tiling on the wall, the oversized subway tile. Really, really exquisite. Again, hardwood floors throughout. Really great. Barn door. Ceiling fans. And nice lighting. This is the corner home. This is the garage. Yeah, really, really great. Just nicely done. Good for great storage throughout the place. This is the door to the basement. Here's the bedroom. It's all about that view. How beautiful. Nice, interesting sconce. Really great. The shiplap walls, just lightly stained. The nice white. It's so much nicer than painted. I don't know if you can get a good view of that texture. It really shows in person, when you see it. Just really softens the look of the room. It's just really nicely done. And here we go off the back. And so the arbor vitae is yours as well. And this is Freddie. Hi, Freddie. This is Freddie, the dog of the house, right? Yes, you're a good dog. So Freddie's going to guide us the rest of the way here. So again, here's our little side yard. And again, the yard is completely fenced. And we have these beautiful lanterns that are really great. Two maritime lamps that were at a marina and then been brought onto the property. Hey, Kenny, you're good, buddy. Come on, let's go hang out. Here we are. And a nice little fire pit on our back patio. Here's our wood deck. And this is the canal and the D&L Canal Trail that goes from Easton, Pennsylvania, all the way to Philadelphia. This is a little doggy door out the back of the garage. And let's see here. So yeah. So that's our little backyard. Again, the propane tank, and so that the propane does the grill here, the stove, oven, and then the fireplace and the living room. Do a little quick garage tour, but we'll do the basement first and come back out and up. Okay, let's go down there, and then we'll come back up so you get to the basement from here. I need to get a bulb for that. So come down to the basement, and then basically you have two core living spaces, core rooms. We have this one here. So the panels that are out in the ceiling, it's because the pipes here when it isn't, climate control isn't on, we have drips. It condenses on those pipes and then they drip. And so, that becomes an issue, frankly. So when, let's see, there's not any that are just dripping here. Well, here we go. Here we can see a stained one. So it drips off the pipes and it drips and stains. Now, there's a dehumidifier down here when it's always running and not needing to be emptied. You don't have that issue. There's another mitigation here too for water. I'll show you that. That's this guy here. And it's basically a humidity controlled exhaust fan. So, it kicks on whenever the humidity gets to a certain point and moves some moisture out of the property. There's a cedar closet here. Cedar shingle. Not that much light there, but let's see if I can. Yeah, there we go. And here's the other living space. There's nice little windows here.